What is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ujjwal and let's start with today's video. So today this video is all about review and unboxing of a condenser microphone. Generally I don't do this kind of videos. I'm more into travel vlogging and travel videos, but I have a condenser microphone that I have ordered a few days back and I haven't unboxed it, so I thought why the hell not. So this microphone, actually my mom ordered that for me. I actually wanted a microphone for recording good audio and doing voiceovers, and I didn't have any option with me other than the Boya shotgun mic that I am currently recording with. I got this in the first week of January. This product is from Amazon. You can easily get it from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. And so this mic costed around 4.5k on Amazon, but the MRP is around 6,000. I guess if you get it from any offline market, it will cost you for around 6,000 bucks. So why do I need a mic? So let me tell you guys, I recorded most of my videos using a GoPro or with my phone. So I always had issues with the audio. Whenever I recorded videos with my phone, the audio always had some kind of noise. That was the same case in GoPro also. And again, when I'm doing voiceover, I used to record the audio with my phone. I sometimes use this shotgun microphone, which was not efficient enough for doing voiceovers. So I thought, okay, let's put the money in the right place and get myself a mic. So this is the whole microphone kit that I've ordered. It's from Moano. This mic is Moano AU-A04. This is the model number of the mic. So why did I buy this particular mic? The first reason is this is very cheap, because at this price point I'm getting a condenser microphone with the whole stand and with the whole kit. So this is a deal breaker. The second reason why I got this mic is that it has got a professional sound chipset which will enhance the quality of the audio. Now the third reason is this has got a USB 2.2, which is basically plug and play. I can connect it with my PC, I can connect it with my laptop, and I can start recording audio. That's it. The fourth reason why I bought this mic is this is really easy to set up. This has the whole shock mount and the swing arm, everything included in this box. So I can basically mount it in my table, connect it with my PC, and that's it. I'm ready to go. Alright, so let's go to the unboxing part of this video. Let's go. So this is the box. So right after opening the box, this is a user manual along with a feedback card. The next thing is muffle, or this is a wind foam, and this is the pop filter. This is the shock mount. This is the table clamp. This is used to clamp down your mic setup to your table. This is a USB type A to type B cable. The length of this cable is around 1 meter. I don't know what is this for. Anyways, now this is the swing arm. And finally, this. This is the Moano condenser microphone. This is what the hype is all about. and you also get some velcro strap. This is to tie down your wire. It has a Moano branding on it. So that's it. Now the first step is to unscrew this and to unscrew this. After that, it fixes into the table like this. Yes. Now the second step is to take the swing arm and put it right inside this. Yeah. And then tighten the screw. Now once it's fixed nice and firm, you can move the swing arm in any direction you want. To rotate it like this, you just need to unscrew this. You can unscrew this and rotate it the way you want, and you can tighten it afterwards and you can move it. So I'll just keep it like this for my own personal use. I have mounted the swing arm in this position of my table because I have all the acoustic padding over here, so that whenever I'm doing voiceover, the voice doesn't bounce back off the wall. Also, I've got these sound paddings from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description of this acoustic foam. Now once you're done with this, the next step is to put this wind muffle on top of the condenser mic. After doing that, you need to unscrew this, make it straight and screw it back. Now one major point about this mic is, whenever you're doing voiceovers, make sure you speak in this face of the mic, because the mic doesn't record any noise from its behind. This is the front of the mic, and this mic only records from its front face, and this face does not catch any audio. So make sure you put it in this direction. Now you can mount it on the shock mount. For mounting it on the shock mount, you just need to unclip it like this and put it straight in. Now this is the screw and this is the USB jack where the cable will go in. You just need to put it here. So setting up my mic is almost done. That's it. This is how you can move the mic. And now mounting the pop filter on it. So you need to unscrew this. You can mount it over here like this. So this is my entire mic setup with the pop filter. I can move the pop filter however I like, because this pop filter is flexible. It can be moved anywhere around. If you want to record with the pop filter, you can have it, or else you can remove it. You can record directly through the mic. Okay guys, so let's get down to the testing of this mic. Currently I'm recording with a Boya shotgun mic. This is the mic that I'm currently recording with. It's BY-MM1. So this is the audio coming through this mic, and right now I'm recording with no mic at all. The camera that I'm using right now is G7X Mark III. So the audio coming in is directly through the mic of this camera. So now let's check out this mic. I've connected this mic straight to my PC and I'm using a software called Audacity for recording audio. So let's check out how this works on this mic. So in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so right now I'm recording with this mic, and I hope there's a difference in the audio. Well, I wouldn't know it now because I'm testing it for the first time, and I hope there's a difference, or else the money would be wasted. I have watched a few videos on YouTube about this mic, and the kind of difference that I have noticed is the audio through this mic is kind of a bit composed and it's not very loud, but the audio is really good. So I hope it turns out to be good. Okay guys, so for doing a more detailed testing, I have kept my camera over here along with the Boya shotgun mic, and I'll be using this mic to record audio using the software Audacity. So what I'm going to do is I'll be switching audios from these two mics in the same video. So what I'll do is I'll record the audio and the video all together in both actually, and in the editing section I'll be switching audios from this mic to this mic. So I'm recording audio through this mic currently. This is the audio coming out from the Moano AU-A04 mic, and switching over to the Boya mic, and now the audio is coming from the Boya mic, and now again switching back over to the Moano mic. And now without the pop filter, I don't know if there's any difference or not, but this is how the audio sounds like. And now again switching back over to the Boya mic, this is the audio sounding like. Yeah. So this is it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy this video, do like this video and share it with your friends. And also I'm dropping out videos every week, so make sure you have subscribed to my channel, and if not then subscribe. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.